If you have not seen our doodle lines, straight lines video, stop right now, go back, watch that one, so that what we're doing on this video will make a little bit more sense. Instead of starting with the names of each line, we're starting with the patterns on this one and then going to take you to what that would look like if they were just their singular curved line. We're going to be doing curved lines today. And curved lines are still a line, they just bend a little. They're just not straight. And so there are so many different kinds of curved lines, like U shape, like with a smiley face, or a rainbow shape, like a frown face, or maybe a wavy line, or a curved line could even be a spiral, which are really fun to make. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you these lines in the boxes. You can find this worksheet on our website or in the description down below, and it will take you to the Freebie Library where we have printables and worksheets, just about anything you could think of that deals with art or Bible. And so we would love for you to join us in there. What we will be doing is taking these patterns of curved lines. You can see the different lines, curved lines that we're making. And then what we'll do is take those patterns and apply them. You can practice drawing these lines too. Now let's take a piece of paper and just draw all across your paper with different curved lines, different bends in the line so that it's not a straight line. Let's not use any straight lines. We're just going to use curves. If you've downloaded our worksheets, you will see a Bible verse worksheet with the word helper on it. This is a Bible verse that we love, especially when we are feeling fearful, afraid, insecure, when we're feeling alone. And this Bible verse always brings us comfort to know that that God is our helper. The Lord is your helper too.